Tonight, the parents of a student are suing the Rockford School District over the use of the child's pronouns. The lawsuit filed in federal court says the district should have informed them of the child's request to use a different name and pronoun. 13 on your side's Micah Cho's been looking into this all day. And Micah, what do the parents want?
Juliet, Dan, and Jennifer Mead, along with damages, are looking for the courts to decide if the Rockford School District violated their parental rights by not telling them their biological daughter asked school staff to use a masculine name and pronouns.
Dan and Jennifer Mead, they trusted the Rockford Public School District with their daughter, their middle school daughter, and they found out that Rockford Public Schools had been concealing important information about their daughter from them.
Vincent Wagner is the senior counsel at Alliance Defending Freedom, the legal group representing parents Dan and Jennifer Mead in their lawsuit against Rockford Public Schools. The 44-page complaint filed in federal court claims that the district used a masculine name and pronouns preferred by their child born a biological female, and then altering records that referred to them as a boy to conceal the issue from their parents.
Treating her as a boy while she was at school, while not telling the Meads what was going on, and they just felt totally betrayed by what the school district had done here.
The parents removed their child from the school district as they navigate the legal system. Law professor Michael McDaniel, who has no affiliation with the case, says while the parents are fighting for their parental rights, the district may not be required to voluntarily disclose information.
So yes, it's well settled that they have rights to raise their kids as they see fit. And school districts have this uneasy tension with the parents to do so. But it is not settled law that there is a legal or constitutional duty on behalf of the school district to voluntarily disclose the name of their child to that child's parents.
Pro-LGBTQ plus groups like the Michigan chapter of the ACLU and Stand With Trans say school districts will try to work with students regarding gender identity and sexuality.
The students also have a right to privacy. And when we're talking about calling a student by a different name or using a different set of pronouns, that has nothing to do with their education. It doesn't interfere in any way with parental rights and parents being aware of what's being taught.
When these things happen, it's not a case where the school well, let's hide this from the parents. Let's lie or deceive the parents. That's not the motivation. It's often as a result of the discussion with the child and figuring out what's the best way that we can keep this child feeling safe and supported while in school.
We did reach out to the Rockford School Superintendent regarding the lawsuit. Dr. Steve Matthews responded with an email saying the district has not been served with any legal documents yet. Matthews says he will comment once he has received notice of this legal proceeding. Juliet.